Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure Google Photos is updated and the original image is backed up. Once done, open the photo you want to edit. Tap Edit, then Tools, and choose Magic Eraser so you can work non-destructively. Zoom in close to the object for precision. A single tap attempts an automatic removal, while brushing gives you control over the selection. Make the first pass deliberately. This initial removal sets up cleaner refinements in the next steps. Now refine the result. Adjust the brush size and zoom in to work around edges so you don't alter nearby subjects. Try Erase for bulk removal and Heal for texture blending. Often you'll need several small passes rather than one large sweep to preserve natural patterns. Use Undo to back out mistakes and compare to view before and after. If needed, temporarily crop to focus on a problem area. Take your time, patient. Incremental fixes yield the most realistic outcome. Finish by saving a copy so the original stays intact, then inspect the full image at 100% to catch subtle artifacts before exporting. If you still see odd textures or repeating patterns, try repeating Magic Eraser on small patches or use Snapseed's healing tool for finer control. Alternating tools often fixes what one tool misses. If Magic Eraser behaves oddly, restart the Photos app, clear its cache, or update your phone. These quick fixes resolve most tool glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.